All right, just a quick one here. My output, what do you want to call this thing? Anyway, it's an adapter to this Stinky-Slinky. One of the pins had broken off, and it's always caused somewhat of a leak. So I got an adapter. So anyway, cutting off the nubs or nibs, and then putting that on it is a quick and easy way of doing it without having to cut off the existing one or trying to figure out how to get rid of it. You just add on to it, and I can use the extra inch or so that it comes out. Anyway, just a quick one.